Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to turn on weekly email notifications for top posts and stories on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This feature is perfect if you want to stay in the loop with trending content and highlights from the accounts you care about, without checking your feed all the time. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personalized settings. Once you're on your home screen, look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see options like Home, Explore, and Notifications. Click on Notifications to open that section. Next, look for the small gear icon or the word Settings within your Notifications page and click on it. This will take you to your notification settings, where you can manage how and when you get updates. Now, from here, go into the Preferences section. Once you're inside Preferences, select Push Notifications. This is where you'll find all the customizable options for alerts, updates, and recommendations from X. Scroll down a little until you see the section labeled Top Posts and Stories. This is the feature that makes sure you don't miss out on the best content from your network and the broader X community. Next to it, you'll see different frequency options. Choose Weekly. By selecting this, you'll start receiving a curated summary every week that highlights the top posts and stories tailored to your interests. And that's it. Your weekly email notifications for top posts and stories are now turned on and ready to go. Every week, you'll receive a neat roundup of the most engaging conversations, news, and trends from around X, all delivered straight to your inbox. Setting this up takes less than a minute, but it's one of the best ways to keep up with your favorite topics without spending hours scrolling. Don't forget to check your email preferences occasionally if you want to adjust the frequency or turn the feature off later on.